Alicia, where have you been? You haven't made a YouTube video in over a year.
You said you were coming back the last time, and you made a couple of videos, and then you disappeared again.
Hey everyone, and that's exactly what I'm here to do today, to explain to you where I've been, what has been going on, my thoughts, and what to expect from my channel going forward. You all, I have missed YouTube so much. I seriously tried making this video like 7 times before I was able to do this. I've tried for the last several months to make this video, and I feel like once I get past this, I can then move forward. And I know that's going to sound crazy. So I made these videos. One of them was almost an hour long. I deleted the whole thing because nobody's going to sit through that. And I felt like I owed everyone an explanation as to where I've been and why I have not been making YouTube videos. And I'm about to explain that. Who stops making YouTube videos when they are so close to 30,000 subscribers? That would be me. So as I just mentioned just a little while ago, I did try making this video like several times. I even tried to make this video back in like November of last year, and I ended up deleting the whole thing. And I couldn't figure out why. It was almost like I was unable to put what I was thinking and what I was feeling into words. And I felt like everything was coming out the wrong way. So it wasn't until just a few days ago, I came across a YouTube video from Modern Millie, and she made this video talking about something called brand evolution. You all, this was like everything in this video was exactly what I had been thinking and feeling all this time. So basically is what she did is this study. She was trying to come up with a common denominator for the top 3 creators that were continuously successful over the last several years. And as what they found was the one common denominator that all 3 of them had. And that was brand evolution, meaning that they were keeping up with the changing times. They were keeping up with the technology. I really appreciate all the support that all of you have given me over the last several years since I started my channel in 2017. If it wasn't for you guys, it's comments just like this. These up here, these make me feel absolutely wonderful that I'm helping someone. But I also have another way I can help you. And I will tell you this, I am that person that stays awake half the night Googling stuff, researching stuff. I'm very inquisitive. I ask people questions, and there's just so many things I do on the research side of it. The same thing I did with digital design, and then I would pass that information along to you guys. So I took all of the research out of it for you. And that's what I'm here, and that's what I'm wanting to do. So when I opened my channel in 2017, it was actually supposed to be about all things work from home, entrepreneurship, and everything that goes along with it. I wanted to test all these different ways of making money online. Because, I mean, if you think about it now, we are now living in a world where if you have an internet connection and a mobile phone, then you have the ability to make an income without even stepping foot ever outside on your front porch, because the times have changed so much, and I can't believe how much they've changed since 2017. I had a lot of issues getting to make YouTube videos, and it was a motivation problem. But I couldn't figure out until I came across Millie's video the other day as to why. And I felt like I was expected maybe to make design tutorials on the same type of stuff that I used to do whenever there are so many things that have changed since then. So I really just feel that my content was starting to become very boring, not only probably to my audience, but also it was becoming boring to myself. I couldn't even stand to listen to my own voice anymore or watch any more of my videos. At that moment, I knew I needed change. So that's what I want to do, is get back to what I originally set out to do in 2017. And that was to talk about all things making money online, entrepreneurship, work from home, and everything and anything that goes along with it. And I really hope that you guys will support me in that as well. Because am I going to stop making design tutorial videos? No, I'm not. But I'm also going to be making videos on other topics as well. The other part to where I've been was honestly true. I did go through several pretty life curveballs, to put it lightly, that were thrown at me. And it's like everything happened all at once. So that was a huge contributing factor as well as to why I was not making videos. So it wasn't just the fact that I was having issues with content and the fact that I really wanted to talk about different things besides design tutorials. It was also mainly because I was having my own personal issues as well. So what type of businesses am I talking about starting, and what type of how to make money online am I talking about? I do want to say this, and you know who you are if you're watching this. I'm so sorry. I am not calling you out on this, but I did get tickled at this. So in my Facebook group, I changed the name, and it's been kind of quiet in there since I did that. And I made a post. I was trying to get engagement on it about what ways can you make money online? And somebody commented about filling out surveys.
Oh my gosh. No, you all.
This is not BuzzFeed. This is not one of those things you see, when you're scrolling through Facebook or whatever. That's not what it is at all. Not filling out surveys, which I would say don't do that. I've heard that people that do that, some of them end up getting viruses on their computer and everything else. So just don't. That's not what I'm talking about. What I'm talking about is things like the Amazon influencer program. Oh my gosh, you all. I'm so excited to talk about that. That's probably going to be one of the first things I talk about. There's TikTok Shop. I mean, there are just so many different ways. We now have AI. Speaking of TikTok Shop that I just mentioned, those of you that do the print on demand, did you know that you can link TikTok and you can link your TikTok shop to your print on demand if you're using Printful or Printify? And it's what's so amazing about that is you can make content, for example, wearing your designs, and you would not believe how many people are actually being successful doing it that way. That's just a very brief summary of one of the things. But the major thing was I did recently get accepted into the Amazon influencer program. I always had an Amazon storefront, but there's two parts to the Amazon influencer program. You have to be accepted into the program, and then you also have to submit 3 videos, and those videos have to be approved. So is what Amazon will do is if you get those videos approved, and I already know how to do it and how to teach it to you, if you get those videos approved, Amazon will play them up at the top, and that is how you make money. I know someone personally who is consistently making $10,000 a month doing just Amazon influencer program. Have you all ever heard of the phrase approach avoidance, which is a psychology term? Well, what that means is that's exactly what happened to me with YouTube. Every time I kept saying, you know what, I'm going to go to the computer and I'm going to make a video today. And then I didn't. It was like an approach avoidance thing where I wanted to do it, but then I didn't. And I kept stopping myself. And the reason why is because I just really was not happy. I really wanted to start talking about different things, but I didn't want to lose subscribers over it either. So I did what I felt like I was supposed to do and make my audience happy. But the way I look at it now is that if somebody does not want to continue being subscribed to me, there will be a lot of others that will. And that's all I'm trying to say here. Because I am still going to continue making design tutorials, but I'm also wanting to share this valuable information with you of all different ways to earn money online. So that's honestly pretty much it, you all. The reason I did not make videos was I didn't think anybody would be interested because they all wanted the same type of content I was making before. So I really hope that you all will stay with me and watch my videos because I appreciate you all so much. I mean, once again, here's a few more of these comments that I get all the time that these mean so much to me. And I've got so many different ideas for my channel now in 2024 and what I'm going to be doing going forward. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys. So the ultimate gist of the whole conversation and story time here is that I am rebranding my channel and I'm going to be talking about digital design, but I am also going to be talking about all things making money online. Anything that I research, anything that I do that on, I'm going to do that because I feel like it's also a personal journey for myself. And I want to share that valuable information with you guys as well. This is going to be the full package, you all. I have also learned a lot of ways to help you market your business. And it doesn't matter what kind of business you have. I want to share that knowledge with you guys as well. I always told people I had the best audience on YouTube. And the reason why is because everyone was just so supportive and making comments. I mean, yeah, did I have a few haters? Yes. Do I still have them? Probably so. Usually those were the ones that would thumbs down my videos, I guess, immediately before they even watched it, they would just put a thumbs down. And I knew then, it was a hater, but I'll tell you what, here's what I think about haters. Honestly, anybody who has time if they take time out of their day to post a hate comment on one of your videos, they are taking time away from themselves that they could be doing something productive or creative for themselves. And that's just how I feel about that. I also delete hate comments, just so you know that. I'm going to invite you to watch my next video, which is going to be 7 ways that you can make money online. And I look forward to seeing all of you here. I'm also hoping to meet new people too as well. I have met so many amazing people along the way and along this journey. Absolutely wonderful people. So I'm looking forward to it. So be sure again to stay tuned for my next video on the 7 ways that you can make money online. Okay, so let me take a deep breath now. I finally got through this video that I've only tried 8 times to do. This is the 8th time. 8 times a charm? 8 times is a charm. So let me take a deep breath. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.